Kershaw on opening day. Kershaw didn't give up a single one of those last year. I thought that was impressive. Anyway, 3-0 Padres, bottom 5.
So here's Crawford with 2 men on. Left-handed hitter takes a called strike behind in the outside corner. A cool 96 miles per hour. Brandon Belt at second. Buster Posey at first. The outfield is bunched up towards center field. Crawford is 2 for 3 in the game. So he takes strike 2 call. Almost the same pitch in the same spot. So 2 pitchers strikes there. And Crawford wisely didn't swing at either one because they weren't good pitches to hit. Now he'll have to go after him if he throws one again. He throws one a little bit off the outside this time. 1-2.
More of what the BMW Corporation considers a normal brake noise on M Sport brakes for late model cars. Again, my car is just about 2 years old, and they won't replace the brakes and rotors. They did replace the rear brake pads that obviously didn't have the effect that I wanted or they wanted. It's still making the noise, and they refuse to take any further action on it. They say it's normal. So they said to wait for service bulletins or recalls before they can do anything else. Meanwhile, I have to live with this brake noise on a perfectly decent set of brake pads that are at about 50% wear on the front, and they're about 95% left on the back, so they're in perfectly good shape in the back. And this is the kind of noise you can expect with the M Sport brakes, which are supposedly the higher end brakes. So just a little demo here for you guys if you're considering buying a late model BMW.